Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to apply for a Costco membership card. Now, you simply want to navigate to your browser of choice and simply type in Costco. Once you type that in, you want to click on the first link where it says Welcome to Costco Wholesale. Now, once the page loads, you want to navigate to the top right where it says Sign in/register. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to a page where it tells you to sign in or create an account. Now, since I already have an account, let's sign into that account real quick. Let the page load. And then we'll be redirected to this page where it tells us to add a membership number. Now, if we don't have a membership number, we can simply click on this button right here where it says buy membership. And that will redirect us to a page where it shows us the different types of membership that Costco offers. So there's the executive membership, which offers an additional 2% reward per purchase, and Costco services discounts. Now, there's also the Gold Star membership, which allows you to shop online and in the warehouse stores, includes 2 membership cards and 100% satisfaction guarantee, which Costco is actually really reliant when it comes to the return services. So I actually highly recommend, if you don't go to Costco too often or you're just trying to save money, to just get the Gold Star membership. Now, if you do want to get these extra rewards, then that's on you. But in my opinion, the Gold Star membership is perfectly fine. Now, let's just go back to the previous page. And then there's also an option where you can shop as a non-member, but this only applies to the online store. And you cannot use services such as Costco live tickets or buy member-only items. And you also get charged 5% extra on orders. So if we simply click on that link, we'll be redirected to their online store. And it's kind of similar to Amazon. So if you're familiar with Amazon's layout, this will be a breeze to go through. But that's basically it. If you guys found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like or subscribing. Thanks for watching.